Get upset, huh? Yeah.
Hey guys, this is my new
So your mobile number, Edwin?
022
022
473
473
2494.
2494, mate.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah,
Let's just check if that emailed to you.
it's my new tools Impact Wrench. And the handsome guy who assists me.
What's happening?
Mr. Toot.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we got your email address,
ecoherns@yahoo.com. Yeah.
It's coming your way, man.
Alright.
Perfect.
So, this is good now. I take this one home now. And this is the tool seeds pitone. Heaps of tools here, mate. Because my mate asking to get video, you know. Yeah. If you love Dewalt, this is the stuff that you need here. Yeah. Any kinds of tools you need. Dewalt, Milwaukee, and I think Makita is here also. Yeah, Makita. This is Makita. This is Hakuki.
You're from Philippines, huh?
Yeah, Philippines,
Yeah,
mate.
Todd's wife's from Philippines as well. Yes,
Yeah.
speaking. Yeah.
One of your colleague here is from
Todd,
yeah.
Todd's
I
wife's from Philippines.
when I was bought my what I got here, my brushless grinder.
Yeah.
Yeah, he asked me also.
Yeah.
So-
Awesome, man.
So, what you can tell me is that
This Milwaukee.
Yes.
So all the stuff here, guys. Luckily, guys, they give us permission for me to take video to this shop. Guys, this is the big shop. Tool shed. All the stuff that you need here. Wow. Sanding paper, all here, guys. And whole kit, wooden kit, drill bits, and circular saw, and what you call this one? Yeah, it's a big shop, guys. Luckily, we got opportunity to take video to upload our channel. I'm lucky, guys. Look at this place. Anything you want here. Yeah. Shovel. Huh?
Not the whole shop.
All right.
They will,
Oh yeah.
if my website team will get across, not the whole shop, you see.
Yeah. Thank you.
You all good there? Yeah. Perfect. No worries.
Yeah. Thank you, mate.
Okay, thanks then. Yeah.
I'm going now. But I have already been just on words.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thank you.